Yo, what's going on, guys? Just got my exhaust for my 2021 ZX6R. Gonna unbox this thing. Thanks to Sport Bike Track Gear, got my exhaust in like a week. So let's unbox this thing. Also got the servo buddy, so I can take the servo out and free up some space under the passenger seat. But let's check this thing out. Ooh, got a magazine. It's pretty cool. Got the ZX6R. All wrapped up in here. Let's see what we got. Wow, so all we got are some paperwork, a nut, and a bolt. That's it. And this is the slip-on exhaust. Damn, look at this. Woo! It's the M4 Street Slayer carbon slip-on. See, there's a silencer inside, but damn, this thing looks nice. Woo! Gonna be able to take off that huge stock exhaust off the bike finally. I mean, I've only had the bike for like 2 weeks, but had to do it. Hopefully this thing sounds really good. But damn, look at that. Freaking nice, man. So I'm gonna go install it. I'm not gonna do a step-by-step. It's just gonna take a long time because I just want to get this thing installed and get riding on it. But let's go install this thing and I'll show you how it sounds. All right, let's just look at these instructions. They're very basic. Just tells you to remove the exhaust valves, remove the servo motor, remove the stock muffler and the muffler box under the linkage, and install your M4 slip-on muffler. Pretty basic instructions, so this should be pretty quick. And that's all it says. Alright, got the servo out. A little annoying to take off, but got it done. But look how much space you have under the passenger seat. You had this big motor inside there taking up all the space, but now I got some storage to put whatever I want in there. Now I gotta take off this huge can. Alright, we got this thing installed. M4 Street Slayer carbon slip-on on the ZX6R. This thing is freaking heavy. Plus this thing, it's probably, this has to be, plus that has to be like 20 pounds. So that's a lot of weight coming off this thing. This thing is really light. Let's start it up, get a cold start. The silencer is still on. I'll take it off and we'll see if there's a sound difference. All right. Wow, damn. This thing is freaking loud. You probably can't tell, but it's so much louder. Wow. I gotta back up. It's so loud, even with the silencer on. So I'm gonna let it warm up and then give it some revs. All right, the bike is warmed up. We'll give it some revs. Wow, I got some pops. Sorry to all my neighbors. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I think I'm gonna leave the silencer on. It's already loud enough. If I take the silencer off, it's probably gonna piss a lot of people off. But I guess we'll take it off, see how it sounds. Alright, never mind. I don't have a tool that can get the bolt right there. Nothing small enough, or anything angled enough to reach that hex bolt. But I think it's pretty freaking loud already. It'll probably get annoying if I take the silencer off, but it sounds freaking amazing. Let's hear it one more time. Freaking loud, guys. Freaking loud. Sounds amazing. Definitely recommend this. And it looks awesome. I like that it's tucked in instead of hanging all the way out here. But you gotta put the bearing back on. And then next video, we're gonna go for a ride and just have a pure sound video. So please subscribe, like the video. Stay tuned for the pure sound video, the exhaust. Peace out.